Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Zia Zakitul Fuada, and today I would like to present a journal titled Understanding Multilingualism and Code Switching Among English Department Students Across Home, Campus, and Social Media, written by Muhayang and Colleges in 2026. This journal discusses how English department students use different languages in their daily life and what factor influence their language choices. And move to the slide 2. Okay. The background. First, I'd like to explain the background of this study. Indonesian multilingualism country where people commonly speak Indonesian, local languages, and sometimes English. For English department students, switching between languages is sometimes very common. They use different language depending on who they are talking to and where they are. However, previous studies mostly focus on only one environment such as classroom or social media. Because of that, the study investigates language use across three different domains: home, campus, and social media. Move to the slide 3. Research question and objective. The study has two research questions. The first question is how English department students use multilingualism and code switching across different domains. And the second is what factor influence their language choices. Based on this question, the researchers wanted to describe studies multilingual practice and identify the factor what the affect their language uses. Okay, now let's move to the methodology. The research used descriptive qualitative design. This practice where undergraduate students from the English department they were selected use proposing sampling because they met the criteria indeed for the researchers. The researcher collected the data through open-ended questionnaire and semi-structured interview. After that, the data were analyzed using thematic analysis to identify common patterns in study language uses. Okay. The findings show that students use different language depending on the setting. At home, they mainly use regional language together with Indonesian because the language represents their family background and culture identify. And on campus, Indonesia is the main language for daily communication with friends. Meanwhile, English is mostly used during presentation, assignment, and when communication with lecturer. Studies also often mix Indonesian and English during academic activities. And next is finding in social media. On social media, students switch language more frequently than in other settings. There, they mix Indonesian and English to express themselves, look more confident, follow online trends, and communication with the wider audience. This shows social media encourage more and creative and flexible use language. And the 7, okay. Factor influence language choices. These researchers found several factors that influence student language choices. This included the person they are talking to, the communication context and purpose of the conversation, their language and their comfort level. So, students do not choose the language randomly. Instead, they adjust it based on the situation and their communication needs. Okay, next to the discussion is, in my opinion, this study has several strengths. The first is it examines the multilingualism in three different settings, not just one. The second, it use both question and interview, so the data are more detailed. And the researcher also include a real example from participant, making the finding easier to understand for me. And however, there are also some the weakness. So the weakness in this journal is participant come from only one university, and the second is sample size is limited, and the three is data rely on self-report rather than real life observation. Overall, I think this research is very relevant because many students in Indonesia naturally use more than one language in their daily life communication. And that's all for me, and this the conclusion. I think it's enough. Thank you so much.